Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another great product, and this is a free product. This is the paid review. And today we have an air spray paint can. This is a 2-liter from Yesmro, Y-E-S-M-R-O, and it is a very nice looking professional spray paint can. So these are really nice for, anything that you want to spray paint. If you're detailing cars or putting lacquer finishes on things, this is what you're going to want. If you have an air tent or a spray paint area that you are detailing cars, or if maybe you're rehabbing cars and you want to put clear coat on cars, this would be a really nice tool to have. It's just a primo tool. I can see just by the quality product, all brass fittings. I will ding it a little bit. If you know my product, my video products at all, I hate it when the manufacturers don't give good instructions. I happen to know how one of these works, but not everybody does. So, very poor instructions. So, onward and upward. This is it's a 2-liter, so you can put a lot of product in here. 2 liters is a lot, but very easy to do. You simply put your product in there, put it in there, make sure there's a rubber seal in there. Make sure that this rubber seal is nice and clean, especially after you've used it a few times. When you're cleaning this up, make sure that those rubber seals get cleaned very well. Screw it tight. Hand tight should be sufficient if those rubber seals are clean. All right. Here is the quick disconnect that goes straight to your compressor right here. So this is where you connect your compressor to. This, you would take one of these hoses, and this was going to go. So you're going to take one of these hoses, and you're going to connect it to this side. Your compressor comes in here. This is your air output hose. You're going to connect it to this side here, and then you're going to connect it up to the air inlet side of your spray gun, like so. And then this side would go over to this right here. All right, then you're going to take your other hose and you are going to connect that right to here, and that goes here. Hook that up there, and then the other side of that goes to the bottom side of here, right here, and that provides the product feed, your product, your paint, your lacquer, your clear coat, whatever it is you're putting, and that makes it an air gun. Then you just adjust your nozzle to exactly the way you want it, adjust your pressure to exactly the way you want it, and you spray. It's as simple as that. And that is how a spray tank works. And this is the Yesmro spray tank. Very easy to use. This looks like all quality product, all metal except I think even the handle's metal. So that's going to make cleanup very easy. You don't have any plastic parts here. All adjustable, all metal pieces except for this valve. Everything's metal. Very quality product. Instructions could use some help, but I'm guessing most people in the audience that are buying this probably have used one before. If not, go to YouTube, get a video and watch it. But the only other thing that I have not covered is it does have, if you're spraying a house or something like that, it does have a hook that you can hook it to a ladder right there, or hook it to your belt. If you're walking around a car, you can hook this to your belt, hook it to your ladder, whatever it is you want. That, my friends, is the Yesmro spray tank with spray gun. Go out and get one today.